Good morning and welcome to Fat Cow Farm. Now here we are today and I've finally found some time to start having a look at putting the perspex on the end walls of our hoop house high tunnel. Now I didn't expect to be as fiddly as it has been. So really what we're looking at is trying to follow the curve of the roof. Now I've been looking online trying to find something that can seal this, and I haven't had too much success of a product that comes vertical into a horizontal plane. So I'm trying to make it as tight as I possibly can. So I think that will probably be the end result, and it's pretty tight in there because I've got it up into the high end of the perspex and the corrugation. So I don't think we're going to be losing a mass amount of temperature and heat and humidity and things like that. But there has been a few things that have come up and I'm pretty stoked about actually, because I didn't think that the perspex would have that flexibility of what it does. So as an example here, what we've done is we've overlapped the door sheet over the wall sheet. Okay, so that way that we are minimizing the amount of heat that we are losing, because it's not going to be 100% tight per se. But I needed to experiment with some edges. Now what I found is that with our door, let me get that, and imagine we've got another wall sheet coming in behind because the door needs to sit on top. I've got the flexibility that I've been chasing and I'm pumped, absolutely pumped. So it's all just pinned at the moment just to see how it was all going to work and come together. So what you'll see here is that we've come over the actual door frame, you know, around about, oh, what's that, 40, 50 mil. And that's now sitting on top of that wall sheet, like so. Now, there's still a fair bit of flexibility in these sheets. Now, doesn't concern me that much as a part of the door, but the window. Now, let me just put my trusty rock back in there. But with the window. Now, what we have is the same sort of system where what we've got is we've got the door or window sheet overlapping the wall sheet. Now I've been so busy that I haven't even sourced the solar auto heat openers and closers, but I'm hoping that because it's spring tensioned, I'm hoping that what we're going to find is that as it closes at the end of the day, it's going to push the door or the window in, which is going to cause me a fantastic seal, rather than me then putting some sort of rubber gasket or something like that over the top. So at the moment, I'm still mucking around with how it's all going to work, but per se, we have our little doors and our windows. Whoop. They're all opening and closing as they should be. So the flexibility and use that we have out of this perspex, I am really, really pumped about. It's giving us the opportunity to do everything that we really want. The only issue that I'm going to have is on this particular window where it opens as a reverse awning, trying to get something to seal in here. But I'll go through that through the week and I'll see what I can find. I'm thinking we're going to have to put like a rubber gasket through or something of the sort. So I've got a little bit more work to do. We've got the other end to square away also, but I'm getting to the point now where our experiments are actually working. It's fantastic. So until next time, don't forget, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.